Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, The Italian Makes It. Today I'm gonna make thick, indulgent hot chocolate. In Italy, whenever you go to a bar and you ask for a hot chocolate, it's always like creamy and thick, and it's so lovely. The only bad thing is that they only give you about this much, which is never enough for me. You can just have about 10 of them. Just go like, lovely. They're really, really nice. And but I'm gonna try to replicate it. And I found a really nice recipe, and but I've changed it. I've changed a few things because I thought it was going to be too sweet, and then I changed the type of chocolate. So here we go. I'm going to share this with you today. I'm going to be using, we need 100 grams of dark chocolate. I'm going to be using this, which has got orange bits and almonds inside, and it's lovely. You need quite a good dark chocolate. So we're going to be using this, and then you need 30 grams of really good dark cocoa powder, 50 grams of sugar, and 20 grams of cornstarch. The process is really easy, really, really easy. All you do, you need a blender. There we go. You have a blender, and we open up hot chocolate. Panic. So I break it into little bits, and then we add everything else. We add the sugar, the cornstarch, and the cocoa powder. Put the lid on, blitz until powdered, and then we're ready to make our hot chocolate. The smell is amazing, orangey and so indulgent and chocolatey. I cannot wait. I cannot wait. As this is really, really nice, and because it's Christmas time at the moment, well, we're approaching Christmas, I thought, why not just make it turning into like little presents. So I bought these little jars, and I'll just put the powder inside, and you can put a little tag, and so then you can give your loved ones or your friends the instructions on what they need to do, and job done. And I've put enough for one big mug, so that's good. And there you have it. And it doesn't have to be just for Christmas. I've done this one for any other occasion. So if you're going to a friend of yours, or you have a friend that needs rescuing, hot chocolate, somebody who's feeling a bit, yeah, we've all been through that, hot chocolate, that'll do it. But let's not faff about. And so that's a little gift idea for you. Stocking filler. This mixture is enough, they say, for 4 people. No chance. I can get 2 cups out of that. And what we're going to do, the quantities that I've given you, so 100 grams of Lindt chocolate, then 30 grams of cocoa powder, 20 grams of cornstarch, and 50 grams of sugar. What we do, that is for half a litre of whole milk, and we put it in a pan, and we're gonna go and mix this. I'm gonna add this slowly to the milk and cook it on the hob, and until it's nice and thick, it's got the consistency that I want. So follow me and you'll see the hot chocolate. The hot chocolate is ready, but I'll leave it to cool down for a little bit. Whilst that is sort of cooling down slightly, what I'm going to do, gonna whip some cream, because there's no indulgent hot chocolate without the indulgency of whipped cream. So what I do, I've got 200 ml of double cream. What I'm going to do is add 2 teaspoons of icing sugar, one teaspoon of cinnamon. Oh, I love cinnamon. Absolutely love cinnamon. So there we go. And then get ready for whipping. Elbow grease. Your arm is gonna ache, but it's gonna be so worth it. So worth it. I never realized how difficult whipping cream is. You just need to be so careful. It's a split second until it gets too over whipped. Let's hope I do it justice. Oh, I never understood why they did this, why they lift it up. It's just to test the consistency, because you don't want to over whip it. Now I know. I think I'm happy with that. Ooh. And now, in the piping bag, here it goes. And here is our hot chocolate. When you leave it to cool down, it forms like a little skin on top. But as per the custard, because the custard does exactly the same thing, but I like it. I like the skin on top, so I mix it all in. So let's see. I've got my beautiful glasses, 1 and 2. I can't leave my husband out of the picture. So let's see, I'm gonna make a mess. I know it. I'm not good at piping, so please don't judge. And here we go. And there you have it, the indulgent hot chocolate. Oh, now for the taste test. Oh my God, it's orangey and chocolatey and thick and creamy. Oh, it's beautiful. It's so beautiful. Oh, let's get it with some cream. I'm making the mess now. That works for me. Ah, this is so nice. Sorry. So lovely, and it goes really nicely with the cinnamon. It's just a hint, it's not too much, because otherwise cinnamon can be overpowering, but so nice. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I hope you're gonna try and indulge yourself into this creamy, thick, hot chocolate. And I don't know if you like orange chocolate, but I love it. This is amazing. I'm in love with hot chocolate, and I'm so pleased that I found a recipe where I can make thick hot chocolate. And thank you so much for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed this video. And if you have, why not subscribe and hit the bell so you can receive notifications on when the next video is out. And the recipe will be in the description and on my website, so make sure to check it out. Bye bye for now. Take care. Bye bye.